everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparklingbeautybee. In today's video I'm so excited because today I'm working with one of my favorite brand, RoseForever. They kindly sent me this beautiful velvet box full of roses. This is such a big surprise to see how beautiful these roses are. So are you ready? Ooh, look at that. How gorgeous these roses are, and smells absolutely wonderful. Did not really expect such a beautiful smell from preserved roses, but they do have a beautiful scent. I absolutely love how beautifully they present the roses. This is the black velvet gray roses. Absolutely love the color. This is so beautiful. Thank you, RoseForever, for this absolute precious gift. I adore this so much. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this brand. So RoseForever is a brand that has beautiful, gorgeous roses of different color, and they preserve the roses in a natural way without any harmful chemical, so that they're very safe at home for decor and all. And they comes in different shapes and color and sizes. So previously they sent me another beautiful piece, which is this one. So this is their crystal box rose, and so these beautiful roses have been with me for a complete year now, and look at that. They're still flawless. Absolutely they look the same as they arrived in the first day 1 year back, and today I still have them in the same way. You don't really have to do anything. I just place them on my vanity. They always make my vanity look so beautiful, make me feel special, and then look at them. They're just so, I'm just showing you these guys so you know how beautifully they stay even after 1 year. So they are long-lasting roses, and I feel like they're going to last really long time because they still look very new. So the good thing about the crystal box is that you have a drawer here, so you can actually preserve your precious jewelries. Whatever you have, anything precious, you can save in here. Jewelries, cosmetics, or your very precious wallet, whatever you feel like. So in that way you can actually decorate it in your any favorite place, like your vanity, or maybe in your living room, wherever you feel like. So this cute thing is just perfect for vanity because it has this little drawer to organize my other precious stuff. And then that velvet one is so beautiful. So you guys know that black and gray is my favorite color of all time. So when I got a chance to pick a color, I went for this color, and it was stocked out for a very long time. So I really have been waiting forever to have the gray roses on my hands, and I think now they have a good stock, and it's a really good time to grab your precious, this very unique color roses. They have many colors. They have blue, they have red, they have different shades of pink, white, and also for the actual box, the velvet box comes in very different colors. It is so hard to pick one. I feel like eventually I'm going to pick all their colors because I still don't have a black and red combination, which is their classic one. Also white roses are my favorite. I feel like I really want a white, you know, rose bouquet, and I feel like I don't know which color combination is the best. Let me know in the comment section. Should I pick like white with white or white with black velvet, or how should I pick? I don't know. I want to pick every combination. When I go to their website, I feel like I want to pick all of them, like all different combinations. They're so pretty. Look how gorgeous they are, and the quality is so good. Every time I come close to the box, smells really amazing. And you also have different sizes. And another good thing about the brand is that RoseForever gives a lot of offers. Like, they provide a lot of different offers. They offer a lot of good stuff, a lot of discounts. So especially during the holiday season, you'll find them for a really good deal. So go to the website, grab your favorite one before they're stocked out, especially if you love this kind of unique colors. I will be sharing the link down below in the description box, so you can directly go to the website from the link below and grab your favorite roses. I feel like if you want to give someone roses, preserved roses are one of the best options, just because they stay a long time. They're long lasting. When my loved one gives me some kind of roses or any flower and they die in few days, I really feel bad, because I love flowers, and every time I see those beautiful colorful flowers, I feel like I want them forever, but they die. So I feel like if you spend on this kind of long-lasting roses, they make really precious memories, and also your loved one can keep them for a really long time, and in that way they will be able to think about you more. RoseForever also came up with home scents few months back, which I absolutely love. So I just want to show you this beautiful candle. So this is their home scent, and this is also made in a very, you know, the ingredients are very clean and there is nothing harmful in here. So this is very safe. Like, usually the scented candles, we know that they're usually not that safe, but they have a manual where you can actually read how long you can actually burn them. Even though they are safe, I will not burn them more than an hour probably, but yeah, you have the manual, you can read on them. But look at that, how big it is. When I first got this beautiful candle, I burned them quite a bit, but you know, I love it so much. I burn them often, but still, you know, there's just so much left. It smells so good. Every time I open the jar, you know, it feels like fresh cut roses. It feels so good. The smell is so good, and you have tons of different flavors that you can pick from. This beautiful candle is so big, and you have many different colors. This looks so aesthetic. So if you go to the website, there are two different jars. One comes with dark brown and white design like this, and this is like the pink and white, which I picked. So you have many different options to choose from. I think honestly these flowers and the candles make really good gifts. The size and the aesthetics of these are so beautiful. I totally feel like if you gift someone this kind of candle or flowers, they are going to be very happy for a long time, because these products are going to be with them for a very long time. I think because holiday season is coming, it is really a good time to gift your loved ones something so precious like this. Let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite flower and what do you think about this kind of preserved roses. And let me know in the comment section below also, do you like those black and gray roses? Those are, I think, oh, I cannot tell you guys, every day I just stare at them for a couple of minutes at least for some time, because I love them so much. Just looking at them makes me so happy. Every time I sit somewhere, I just go around with it, which sounds crazy, but I love having them in front of me because they're so beautiful. So guys, this video ends here today. I hope you really enjoyed looking at the flowers, knowing about them if you didn't know before. And yeah, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.